Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another project. Today we're going to use up some more of our fabric scraps, and we're going to make some Christmas tree coasters. We'll be using the quilt as you go technique, which is a super fast way to get something quilted. We'll do some raw edge applique to put the Christmas trees on, and just like that, we're going to come away with a set of Christmas tree coasters. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric strips for the front, a fabric piece for the trees, fabric scraps for the trunk, a backing fabric, cotton batting. I like using a glue stick, a walking foot if you're going to make a thick coaster with 2 layers of batting, and of course the printable tree template. First, center one fabric strip on the batting diagonally from corner to corner with the right side of the fabric strip facing up. Center a second strip on top with the right side of the fabric facing down, and align the raw edges on one of the long sides of the strips and pin it in place. If you don't have a long enough strip, just stitch your scraps together to make a longer one. Then stitch along the long edge using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And press it open. Place another strip on top of the last strip, right sides facing each other, and stitch along the long edge of the fabric strip using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. And press it open. Place another strip on top of the last strip, right sides facing each other, and again stitch along the long edge of the fabric strip, and press it open. Then continue adding and sewing strips until you reach the corner of the batting. Turn the piece around. Then repeat the steps on the other side of the batting piece. Flip the piece over and use the batting as a guide to cut away the excess ends of the strips. Flip the piece back right side up and cut the block into 4 squares, each measuring 5½ inches by 5½ inches. Cut the backing fabric into the squares. Place the backing fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center a block piece on top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place. Stitch around the entire piece using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space open on the side for turning. Clip your corners. Turn the coaster right side out and press it. Fold the opening under and press it to form a crease. Top stitch all around the fabric about 1/8 inch from the edge, making sure to catch the section left open for turning. And do the same for all the coasters. Use the paper templates to cut out 4 trees and trunks. Center the fabrics on top of the coasters with the right sides of the fabric facing up. Tuck the ends of the trunks underneath the bottom of the trees, and use a glue stick to hold it all in place. Fold the bottom of the tree back and stitch around the trunk using a straight stitch, a zigzag stitch, or a blanket stitch. I like to try out different stitch lengths and widths on fabric scraps before I start working on the applique. Put the tree back into place and stitch around the tree. And repeat the steps for all your coasters. And just like that, just that fast, you've created your own set of quilted Christmas tree coasters. If you'd like to see more quick and easy projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.